I don't feel good at all, like I don't know what's happening, and I went to the emergency room. I didn't get nothing, like it just was gone. Alright guys, what's up? So today I had like a lot of videos planned for this weekend, but my Instagram was deleted yesterday. So yeah, it's been an eventful weekend because I've been going crazy trying to get it back, and I'm kind of making this video just to let you guys know what was going on, and maybe I could help other people who have recently just lost their account. I'll tell you what I did to get mine back, because it's really hard to figure out how to get it back and why it got taken down, or if it was hacked, or what's going on. I'm gonna tell you like a few of the steps I did to get my account back, and I'm so grateful for all my different friends that helped me get it back, because I literally was like clueless yesterday. Long story short, it started the day off with like I had a severe pain like in my side, and I was like, this does not feel right. I don't feel good at all, like I don't know what's happening, and I went to the emergency room, and turns out I had ruptured something, and they had to like run a bunch of tests, but I'm okay now. I'm still like recovering, so that's why I haven't been in the gym these past few days, and it's like killing me. But I mean, you gotta put your health first. So that happened, and I was discharged from the hospital, and I come home, and what do you know? Instagram was like, bye, you don't have a profile anymore. And I'm like, is this a joke? It was just working. Like, oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. Like, I'm looking at my emails. I was like, oh my god, did someone hack it? Is someone pretending to be me? Like, what is happening? I didn't get an email. I didn't get nothing. Like, it just was gone. Like, it just said I have been logged out. Then I went to go search my Instagram name, and it just didn't exist. And I was trying to log in. It's inactive, like, error. I'm like, oh my gosh. So like the help support wasn't even working because I didn't exist on Instagram, and I'm like, how do I just not exist? And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is not what I need right now. And so like all these things felt like they were going wrong in the world, but I was like, you know what? You gotta stay positive. Like, for some reason this is happening. I don't know why. So anyways, I was given this, it's a special form you have to fill out. I couldn't find it, so one of my friends had to give it to me. So I'll link that here. So if you got your account disabled or deleted, and you know you have a strong feeling Instagram did it, then go ahead and fill out the form that I left in the description, and just click the link. It will have you fill it out and check no. Don't say that even if you use your Instagram for business like I do, don't check that it is, because it's just gonna make the process go longer. So I checked that it was my personal page. I filled out this form a couple times. My friend told me not to overdo it on the form filling because they would just ignore me completely. So it's hard to not freak out in that kind of situation, and it was the weekend, so Instagram wasn't helping me, and I was like freaking out. So yeah, you just kind of have to play the waiting game. I filled out the form, so I literally filled out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 of those. I did a bunch of them, and you have to do it a certain way, and you gotta do it right the first time or they'll just ignore you. So it's very important that you make sure you're in a well-lit area, and when you're holding up like your sign, your fingers have to be in it, because they have to make sure it's not photoshopped, and you have to make sure you're not covering your face. Don't put an @ sign in front of your name, because the first form I filled out, I put an @ sign next to it, and that was the one where they didn't, when they got back to me, they told me that my account was disabled and there was nothing I could do about it. But then when I sent them another one without like the @ sign, that was the one where they restored my account. So it's important, don't put the @ sign in front of the name. I don't know if it has anything to do with it, but just don't edit the picture, because just don't edit it. Send it as it is. You don't want them to think, they have the technology to tell if you edited it. Edited it. I can't even talk. Edited it. Why does that sound right? So yeah, I sent those in, got the news this morning. I woke up, my first one, I'll just put the email right here. They told me that I was disabled for not like going along with Instagram's community guidelines. I have no idea why, because I don't post anything nude or naked, or I'm like pretty on point with like following the rules with Instagram. But I think it might have something to do with music. Thursday I posted a remixed song of Billie Eilish, and I thought it was copyright free because it was remixed. I sped up the song, but I don't know if that's what caused all this. Instagram is very strict about their music policy. I don't know, they didn't notify me and say that that's what it was, but that's just kind of what I assumed. Just don't even use copyrighted music. Just go on on YouTube and type in non-copyright songs, and there's a lot of different songs to choose from. Of course, they're not as cool as the normal songs that you want to listen to, but better than getting your Instagram deleted and trying to beg for it back. That was my lesson I learned out of this. They sent me that message, so I was kind of discouraged. I just sent another form maybe like 10 minutes ago from a different email. But then I got a response to my second email. I have 2 emails. Went ahead and they reestablished it, and they said, we're sorry, your account is reactivated. And I'm just like, so yeah, I got my account back, and it's not just like my account. Like, I've worked very hard on this. I've turned it into my business page, so I definitely use Instagram more than just for sharing photos and memories and stuff. So that's why I was like freaking out. And I think the first time I submitted the request, I did write that it was for a business, so don't do that, because they obviously ignored me the first time I got rejected. The second time, when I like did all the forms and stuff, they went ahead and approved it, because I said I was just, oh, this is my page, like, help me. And I didn't put the @ so I think that was where I went wrong. So yeah, these are just like my tips to get the Instagram back. I learned to I'm just not gonna use music anymore. I'm just not gonna use music. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, yeah, that was my crazy weekend. I was really freaking out. I was like, you know what, everything happens for a reason. I don't know why this is happening to me right now. I don't know why I'm in the hospital. I don't know why my Instagram's deleted, but we're gonna stay positive. I'm just happy I have my health now. I'm getting better. And yeah, and I'm happy to have you guys all back on Instagram. I was like, oh my gosh, everyone's gonna think I like blocked them or deleted them or something, because that's what it looked like. It looked like I went and blocked everybody. But yeah, I'm back, and I just kind of wanted to explain what had happened in my experience, and hopefully like what happened to me. If someone else is going through that, just know it's never 100% deleted. There's always a way to get it back, so don't lose hope and don't feel hopeless. Like, you just have to stay positive even though it's like a really sucky situation. Those are my tips. I'll link everything that I did below. I'm even gonna link this other video for you guys below, because I was about to try this method if this wasn't working. I found this video that this girl posted. There's a live chat for Facebook, so since Facebook and Instagram are interconnected, that option could be helpful for someone. So I'm gonna leave all those resources in the description, just in case someone came here because they lost their profile too and they're trying to get it back. I hope everyone gets their profile back if that's why you're on this video right now. And other than that, so yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And it won't be a rant or a story time or something like this, because I definitely had other videos planned. Now you guys can follow my Instagram, so go ahead, go follow it, Zoe K Fit. Say hey, I'm from the YouTube fam. Oh, one last thing. I also got nominated to be a Sephora Squad influencer, so it would literally make my day if you guys took like 2 seconds out of your day and wrote like a quick testimonial for me. I'm gonna put that in the description as well. Or you don't have to, it's up to you, but it would mean the world if you guys did. Yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.